Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second photo tip at a time. Let's take a look at leading lines, one of the easiest and most dynamic ways to guide the viewer's eye in a photo. They're everywhere once you start looking. Roads, fences, handrails, shadows, pavements, even power lines. Used well, they draw attention to your subject and add a sense of depth or movement throughout the frame. Instead of just snapping a scene, look for a line that leads into it. Get low, shift your angle, move your feet. Build your composition around that line. And leading lines don't have to be straight. Curves and spirals work too. The trick is they should lead somewhere meaningful. Lines that start in the corner of your frame often feel the most dynamic. Try it out and see, and let me know in the comments how you get on. Next week we'll dive into framing, another simple trick to add to your skill set. And if you're ready to push your photography further, grab my free ebook, the link's for you below. That was your Focus Bite. I'm Anthony, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.